How to use Google Meet Breakout Rooms feature. To use this feature, first of all, you have to have the Google Workspace account. If you have personal account just like me, this feature will not be available on your device. So simply tap on this Google search bar or any browser search bar, type in Google Workspace. From there, simply open the official page of Google, tap on this Get Started, where you can choose to create a new account for your workspace or simply upgrade your personal account. Once you have the account, you simply have to sign in onto your device. Then head to the meeting and initiate any call, or you can also choose to change this setting within the calendar application itself. Open the calendar, then tap on this plus icon to create an event. Tap on this event option where you will find another option to add meetings over here. Tap on this add video conference option, and as you can see, the Google Meet has been added. Now, what you can do is change the conference settings next to the meeting link. Go to the Breakout Rooms tab to configure your rooms and pre-assign invited guests. That is how you can use this feature. Once you're done, simply tap Save. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.